Yo, what's good, Poke fan? We back again, once again on the PokeDairris channel. Pack a day every day, day number 414. Let's get it. Trying to put this master set of Prismatic Evolution. Hopefully we get those SIRs. I am chasing SIRs. And we need some more SIRs, EXs, promo cards, Pokeballs for the giveaway binder. And to be a part of that giveaway, stay tuned. Watch the end of this video. To be a part of the giveaway, I'll have the instructions. Let's get to the pack opener, family. Ooh, love to get another Umbreon. It's not a god pack, but it's okay. Might have something back there, family. QR code for the family. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Gone. Alrighty. See if we get something good. Duraludon. Black Belt Trainer. Bronzor. Professor Research. Classic. Suicune. Buddy Puffin. Okay. We have a Karen. Nice. Ooh.
I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
Ooh, we got us a nice hit. We have a Pokeball Roto Stick. Pause. So we have a hit for 414. Okay. We're going to put that to the side, sleeve that up in a second. Did we get anything else? Umbreon. Hollow. Okay. And a no-bat. So we did get a Pokeball. That's fine. We got us a hit. Throwback Thursday. It is. We'll put our bulk in our spare booster bundle box. Get that to the side right there. And get us a sleeve. Sleeve this up. Add this to our giveaway binder. Okay, very clean. Family's gonna love that one. Real good. Alrighty. Set that right there. Now, update on the giveaway binder. Like I said, I'm giving away 8 binders. The first 2 pages will be full from all the cards from my personal Lucario binder, from the pack of days, unboxes, EX boxes, day openings from certain sets like Chaos Rising, Mega Evolutions, and that nature. And then we just have other promo cards and stuff like that. So let's check out the binder, family. Move that to the side. And you will get like some trainers, some EXs, some Apexes. We have full arts, alt arts, reverse hollows, sword and shield, radiance, V's. We have Pokeballs. We have shinies. We have rainbows, items, EXs, promo cards, 151, Scarlet, you name it, family. Promo cards right here. See that sweet cool and 2 Charmanders. More sword and shield. Love that Charizard YEX. That Ambor. Nice. Beautiful. More Apexes. Love the Bulbasaur Boba. Love that full art. We have Pokeballs. More EXs. Energy. Anybody that need to create master sets, or if their favorite Pokemon in here, anybody collecting all the Snorlaxes, anybody collecting all the Salamanders, Meganiums. So just to help out, we got some Ethan's Ho-Ho, Cynthia's Garchomp right there. We have the Dugong, love that Dugong. More promos, more Pokeballs, more full arts, all tarts. Hopefully we can put an SIR in here that will be fire. More promo cards from Perfect Order. Sword and Shield, another shiny, more Sword and Shield for my Sword and Shield fans. More different Pokeballs. We had our full arts Bragrito and Palafin. Nice. Okay. More different types of Pokeballs. We have the Psychic, Water, Leaf, Fighting, and so forth. Love that Milk Tank. You already know. Roll out. More Sword and Shield. More promos. EXs. Promos. That's Zossius. Fine, love that Tyranitar too. Nice. Ooh, got that Flareon. Okay, and more Pokeballs. We got a Master Ball. I forgot we have some Master Balls in here. that Espeon, or Pokeballs, reverse hollows, energies, hollow energies, EXs, and this is where we left off. So we're gonna add that right there to finish off this row. And now we just have this bottom 3 row right here. And let's check it out. So we have 1 whole page, 2, 2.5, and just those 3 lines. And once this last page is done, we will be doing a giveaway. And most likely the giveaway will be on the weekend to give everybody a chance to see it live. And if you didn't see it live, you can watch the replay. If you happen your name get pulled, we'll have to email all my information in the description so you can contact me. So let's get to the giveaway names and how to be a part of it. So salute to all the contestants, all the family members, the whole Poke Squad who made it on the list this far. Appreciate you. Salute. There you go. And we have 3 slots left on this board. We're doing 100 people. Don't worry. We got another 25 over there. So salute. Salute. 3 more to fill up the rest of that board. Now, to finish up to the rest of the list, to be a part of the giveaway, all you gotta do, if you're new to the family, welcome. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Hype any video, like any video of your choosing. Put your name in the comment section of your favorite Pokemon. And if you already part of the family, hit the like button, hype the video, put your name in the comment section or your favorite Pokemon, and I'll add your name to the list. So I appreciate all the love and support. Hey, we got something good on Throwback Thursday, family. You know our motto. Gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. Make sure y'all hurry up getting this giveaway. Like I said, 8 binders, baby. I will have the description from all the pack a days in the description. So I had a link in the description. Sorry, can't talk, right? So from day 1 all the way up until now. So if you guys want to check it out from the past or what we pull, you're more than welcome to check it out. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.